Let me introduce myself. This is Meena here. I am an HR professional. At the end of this video, you will know why do we pursue a management degree. What are the benefits of doing an MBA? What are the MBA programs available in the market? Being an HR professional, I would explain what is HR. Why do we need HR in the organization? What are the functions of HR? And what is the future HR is all about? Here we go. Benefits of doing an MBA. Managerial skills. These skills provide the essential for dealing with real-time situations pertaining to management and resolution of problems. The next is developing business expertise. MBA provides an added advantage for students from non-business backgrounds. By earning an MBA degree, you increase your practical knowledge in the field of business administration. The third is competitive advantage. A competent MBA program prepares candidates as highly qualified leaders. The specialized skills and leadership qualities taught in MBA programs provides you a competitive advantage over others. Most of the leading business organizations prefer to hire MBAs for higher management position. Fourth is career advancement. An MBA degree helps you in quickly climbing up the corporate ladder with good salary package, recession-proof degree or job security, training candidates to handle complex business situations. Thus, having an MBA degree assures sustainability of your job in the organization. Career change. An MBA with particular specialization make it easier for you to move across various industries. Business connection and networking. Social networking during the MBA academic terms helps in establishing business contacts and referral. In the long run, you can avail these contacts in improving your business position in the market. The last one is starting your own business. The skill set taught in MBA provides you with hands-on training for dealing with real-work business problems. Eventually, you can branch out as an independent entrepreneur. If you think you are good in people management and organizing things, HR could be a career for you. HR, Human Resource Management. HR had many other names: industrial relations, personal management, and now lot of companies coming with their own inventions. HR seemed to be administrative work, but now HR is actively involved in setting strategy around people who really move the work in terms of achieving organization goals and leading the mission and vision of the organizations. So HR is about taking care of employees from recruitment to retirement. And it can be anything: looking after their safety, training, providing awareness programs, and organizing lot of events. Employee concern about any issues is a major role of an HR. So coming to the definition, the department, perhaps just a single person in a company that is in charge of personnel. The responsibilities of the HR department usually include hiring, discipline, training, termination, and employee benefits. HR manager is the one who is in charge of the management process of an organization workforce. Why an organization need HR managers? To help every organization needs one, that's why HR comes. To improve employee relations. Employee relation is concerned with preventing and resolving problems which arises between employee and employer, or it can be even between employer and employer, or employer and the clients. Strategic planning. Strategic planning is an organizational management activity that is used to set priorities, focus energy and resources, strengthen operations, ensure that employees and other stakeholders are working towards common goals. Establishment and improvement of labor. To improve labor conditions by providing them compensation benefits and employee benefits. Compensation and administration related to HR management and practices. So HR have to give employees what they want to enhance their productivity. and competences required to be a good HR manager. Extensive knowledge of the industry. HR people too much focused on HR, not business. They need to understand the context, where is business going. You cannot be good HR if you don't see society at large. Business knowledge which include understanding the clients and the customers. Functional skills. HR should have knowledge of all HR functions. Excellent communication skills to interact with people. Change in management skills. Administrative and executing skills. If you don't have executing skills, it's difficult to manage HR functions. Ability to integrate small things with large things. Leadership skills. Commitment and credibility. Next we discuss about the HR services. Analyzing and designing jobs. Recruiting and selecting employees. Training and developing employees. Managing performance. Remuneration and benefits. Employee relations. Managing HR data, that is operations, complaints and HR strategy, policies and procedures. Let me discuss all HR functions in detail.